The colouring on this piece is absolutely spectacular. The iconic Australian Emu from the wonderful Perth Mint, a 1 ounce silver coloured coin. It's uncirculated. Queen Elizabeth II, the effigy there. It does have a face value of $1. It is one of the biggest birds in the world, only second to the ostrich. You can really see the detail in there. Here on the reverse of the coin, you've got a larger emu and there's a baby one at the back. All those fine little feathers, just amazing. Just a beautiful piece though. Check it out at www.emk.com.